Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a squirrel by using oval, circle and curves. Let's start. First draw a sleeping oval. Draw two small circles for an eyeball. From that small circle, draw another two circles. Again, draw another set of circles from nose. Now we got the eyes. From nose, draw a curve like alphabet C and reverse C. On top of that, draw a semicircle. Then draw two semicircles for an ear on both the sides. Now draw two slanted lines and sleeping lines. Draw big oval for the body. Now draw upside down alphabet D on both the sides of the legs. Draw two ovals for the hand. Now draw a big oval for tail. Then draw crossed slanted lines. Let's start coloring. Black. Brown. Make sure when you do painting, start from the top of the drawing. To get perfect coloring, give the boundary first so that the color won't go out. Now give the black color for the boundary. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a Halloween pumpkin. See you.